Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into a must-have solution for indoor pest control, the Mosalogic flying insect trap. If you're tired of dealing with pesky mosquitoes, gnats, and fruit flies invading your home, this might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why this product stands out as the best home mosquito killer on the market. Unlike traditional bug zappers that emit loud zaps and contain harmful chemicals, the Mosalogic trap offers a silent and eco-friendly solution. It utilizes UV light to attract flying insects and a powerful fan to capture them securely inside, all without the use of toxins or pesticides. But what sets the Mosalogic trap apart from the competition? Let's break it down. Firstly, its effectiveness is truly impressive. With dual UV wavelengths and a smart detection system, this trap boasts an 80% catch rate for mosquitoes and fruit flies. Plus, its compact design makes it perfect for use in any room of the house, blending seamlessly into your home decor. Another standout feature is its versatility. Not only does it serve as a highly efficient insect trap, but it also doubles as a nightlight with two LED modes: Smart Mode and Night Mode. Whether you're using it in your bedroom, kitchen, or office, the Mosalogic trap adds a warm glow while silently eliminating flying pests. Now, let's talk about ease of use and maintenance. The Mosalogic trap is designed to be user-friendly, with easy installation and setup. Simply plug it in, and let it do its magic. Plus, cleaning and maintenance are a breeze thanks to the removable trap drawer and long-lasting UV light bulb. In conclusion, if you're in need of an effective, eco-friendly solution for indoor pest control, look no further than the Mosalogic flying insect trap. Its silent operation, dual functionality, and impressive catch rate make it the best home mosquito killer on the market. Say goodbye to pesky bugs and hello to a pest-free home with Mosalogic. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews like this one. Until next time, happy trapping!